Hey, Edgar from Funneltopia here. New workflow triggers and actions related to certificates have been added to Funneltopia. So if you go to workflows, let's go check it out. So you just have some random workflow and let's check out the trigger and the action and how they're related to certificates. So when it comes to the triggers, you can see a whole new one, certificates issued. So if, let's add a filter, templates. So if a specific one is issued, then you can take a certain action, right? So here as a trigger, you can choose the what certificate has been issued, right? So as part of, let's say, a completed course, right? And then the action could be something like, I don't know, send them an email with like a special offer, right? They're kind of ready. They went through a course, they got the certificate, now they're ready for like a special offer, or maybe like a link to book a call, which was like a promise in addition to the training they got, right? So now they're ready for that. So there's like all kinds of actions you can take. And also unrelated to this trigger, then the trigger would be something else. But as for the action, you can also do a certificate related one. So you can issue a certificate based on a certain action trigger, right? So over here, you can issue one. You can select one of the templates you have under certificates. So that's kind of the other end of it. Instead of it being a trigger, it can also be an action. So yeah, make sure to go check these out. If you have any questions, let's go back and over here, let's click on a button here, 24/7 chat support, anything, workflows, certificates, Funneltopia, anything related, 24/7 chat support, let us know. We'll make sure to respond as quickly as possible. But yeah, if you don't have any questions, then I'll see you in the next video. Bye.